ngenjo Fred osema tianya ale tofauti kurwa sabande igagukwana mangana wa affect ya Kenya across board. Tari kwe naronga amatoka itake umbu ngakimogoja mwo ine chigari mwachi kwa ni avocado chetu cha toire ose amagena itokurwa tabaka ntotete chiro toire China no
direct about kuruz magana
da bwana ngabona kereta ka ngabona biskari byetu byasuneka no ere kero isoko mategerera ona ko intoro ko mategerera just pay attention. It talks about issues affecting umuntu oli kwale umuntu oli Turkana Pokot Kuria Gere health education because those are key issues chikoleta Bakenya amo ekero umuntu uko gwati Turkana nayo ko nyamache usoko nyamarambe it's the same problem ekera mariyo gatayo ekero chibestia uchiariwe yani ebintu bigo cut across knowledge that makes a difference ngere gwetera sikirikera umongino isaranse tari uchite nyagetari shate ko diegas to gonde bingere bona iwete buyo mutuko mwatia usen kansa bwate sha yangira kugicharo mogusi umepana Matiangi nga gosome na nyalebe nga because you know yobo no what Matiangi is doing no gotebanga onye education triko kora it means it's affecting omwana okalegalisa no mwana okale sindo omabei no yo kale wherever this thing is affecting all of us. So that makes him different from the rest. So nakinala gotebo totonga ekikwa kwatebanga begitire erebono osariri chimbebe chiria because ngokwanerale ebintu biba affect yo Kenya directly lakini kiriyo abantu bawika batebanga intuga tuamwire umurima tuyateire ga mimi ndio kusema mbare mari by the way usoko bategerera bare mari batari gukwana the silent many ngote abarenga ekero gukwana ng'umurima abayikoye bari kisirende no ma jirote yo gusiga muiko yataye ogocha kubai mukyo baira ari bachikwa the way you want
ga korwara na uko iruguro kora
ana uko irwaria onya mario gotayo nyeri ya na gatayo onye policy ya serikali ya affect go Safaricom yao niwe twanyorira asara go Kenya Power ya be run down ego to affect twins. Yeah, so if there's a way we can collectively look for solutions through umonto ya mogo sitwe Fred go sengo that's what is championing. Lakini kiliyo batabanga ne community to mbwata bantu banembegete moko I think Fred doesn't want to do that. Ekinde na ndi buna na amategereire I believe I'm close enough more than so many other people in the privileged. Fred tabuga atibantu agocha kobereka tebenga biuta no ninko maeta mono ngori yore bugichora usite moe no but Fred I know watu kero monda akwa chiba senga achoka mbeneli akuna